How to create Synthesia's custom avatar. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is just help with the AI. But you need to go to the website of Synthesia, download it, log in with your credentials. Remember, it's important to log in. Now, what you need to do is step one is type in text, take your video script to the type and paste it on script box. Synthesia will use it to text generate to text to speech your avatar. After generating the voiceover and stuff, you need to go to step two, which is AI avatar. Now it's time to add your face to voiceover. For the form, the Synthesia has 140 plus avatars for every face, hairstyle, eye color, clothing options, and with or without facial hair. After that, click on the avatar. You can select the full body and stuff. You can see on the screen it's highly customizable. Now you have to edit your video, which is the step 3 of the video. After editing it, like you can add text, say animation, transition, which is typical video editing that you already know. If you have already a video editing experience, your experience will be even better with Synthesia. After that, you have to generate your video, which will take a little bit of time. After that, click on generate button. You have to click on the magic and do its magic. Generate your video. It will take a little time. After that, you can embed it anywhere on the platform. There are a lot of benefits creating Synthesia AI videos. It helps you to make your video even engaging than the real humans. I'll see you in the next one.